I had to start my computer back up because my battery died. So where we were at were with the short answer questions. So for example, this one right here, that one you just leave it blank. You don't even have to do anything after it. Now there was one thing, so like this one, the fill in the blank one, what you do have to do is before, I think before the question, you have to tell it that it's a fill in the blank. See right here, begin your question with the keyword blank. Okay, so here's the example. So it says blank and then the number. Okay, so let me go back here. So blank. Now I have my number. Here's the blank. And then here's the answer. And I'm going to do, well, I'll just leave it like that because that was the next thing. It just says leave a blank, such as this right here, somewhere in the question, and then give all of the possible correct answers. Okay, so we are done. If we were going to do matching, so you start with the keyword match, right, like this, and then the number of the question, and then this is the question itself. Put the matches separated by slashes, so you would do 3, and then you're trying to match it with the word 3. Okay. And yeah, if you have something that has no match, you just leave it blank on the other side, and then the entries are going to be randomized. Okay, so all of that is in here on this website. Okay, so now let's say we're done. So now I click on create quiz. And then at the top it says your test appears to contain 6 questions, which is, there's one that didn't come out, okay? Because we actually have, well, maybe we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, we actually have 7. I think it was this last one right here that it didn't like. 6. Let me make sure. Simple question. That's it. Okay, well, we got 1, 2. Oh, this is why. I misspelled it. Okay, so now generate it. Okay, so now we have our 7 questions. So the next thing we do is we download the generated quiz. So it shows up right here in a zip file. So I'm going to go into Schoology now. And I'm going to go here. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to do the add test, the quiz, not the assessment, but this one. So I'm going to say uploaded quiz, daily grade, all that stuff. We create it. Okay, so then we go into the questions part of it. So I'm going to add a question. I'm going to import. Okay, so this is the one, right? I'm going to select Blackboard. I'm going to click right here, this little icon. This is the one. This is in my downloads. That's the file. Okay, so it's ready. Now I import. And then here are my 6 questions. Okay, so it missed one of them. It's missing one of them. Okay, so I have to figure out which one it is. But so from here, what you can do is then you could edit your questions, right? And then you can add all the other tools, and then you can check the correct answers. You can randomize it and do all that other stuff, right? Now I'm just curious now to figure out which question it didn't like. Oh, because it did say 7. Okay, so it did. Okay, got that one. Oh, this is the one it didn't like. Okay, I'd have to mess with it. I don't know why that one didn't come up. So this one is okay. That's fill in the blank. Learners who realize, yep. Learners with disabilities. Mild disabilities. The Piaget one, short answer, true, false. Yeah, so this one is the one it didn't like. Oh, because it's a multiple. Okay, well, let's see why I didn't like the multiple answer. Okay, exactly the same as multiple choice. Question on single line. Asterisk in front of all the correct choices. Have to mess with that one. But anyways, if that did happen, then it's just a matter of copying and pasting now one question instead of redoing all of them. Interesting. Okay. So maybe, oh, well, maybe because there is not a multiple. No, I don't know. I just didn't like it for some reason. Okay. So anyways, that was how to do that. The next thing that I'm messing with is how to create an assessment. And I was able to do it with by importing the file, but it did there was like one thing I had to do that was extra. But I'll do another quick video once I figure that one out. But anyways, I was just thinking this might be helpful for teachers who do have like maybe all of their curriculum on a doc, or maybe it's easier for them to just write out the questions this way and then use the generator to convert the file and then upload it. There's just kind of several different ways that teachers could probably use this. And let's see, what else? Oh, the other thing too, so if they had worksheets maybe on a PDF, then it's just a matter of like they can just highlight all the text, copy it, paste it into the test generator website, and then they could generate the files to upload. That would probably be easier than pictures and uploading PDF files and then having the kids mark them up, print them, mark them up, all that stuff, because the test will grade it for them. Okay, and so once I figure out the assessments, I'll do another video.